Hi, my name is Michel Doyon. I work at the Canadian Space Agency in satellite operations, and I'm happy to talk to you about space debris today. So the first question today is, with all that space junk out there, how do future satellite and manned rocket make their way through all this debris safely? When you see space debris orbiting the Earth, it looks very crowded. Don't forget, they're not to scale compared to the Earth. This is why it looks worse than it really is, because space is essentially empty. Nonetheless, there is approximately 23,000 space objects, larger than a baseball, like 10 centimeters or more, that are continuously monitored, tracked, and on which we have a lot of information. They travel at approximately 7.5 kilometers per second. So imagine a baseball pitch hitting an object at that speed. It will certainly make major damages to the object. It is the same for satellites. So when we make a launch, we make sure that the trajectory of the rocket will avoid clouded areas of debris. Once in space, we continuously monitor the satellite as well as the debris. And we make calculation to assess the risk of collision. If the risk becomes too high, then we will perform an avoidance maneuver to protect the space asset. So what do we do to clean this up? That's a great question. First, it's a global problem, and all spacefaring nations are collaborating together to find solutions to resolve this problem. In Canada, since 2005, we have regulation requiring satellites to have a disposal plan at the end of their mission so that the object can be re-entered to atmosphere. To actually clean this up, there are multiple innovative ideas, going from active drag, where we change the shape of the object in a way that it will help it re-enter more quickly into the atmosphere and burn. We have also other ideas such as SpaceNet, and from a Canadian perspective, space robotics is a very promising technology. The idea would be that we attach a robot to a servicing satellite that will then travel and grab the space debris or defunct satellite and then re-enter into the atmosphere and burn.